Hello children. In the last class, in the chapter linear equations in one variable, we defined linear equation in one variable, and also we have solved the equations having variable in one side, that is either in the left hand side or in the RHS. Today, in topic 2, we shall try to solve the problems what are the equations having the variable on both sides. That means left hand side as well as an RHS. Okay, children. Now we shall take problems from exercise 3.3 and worked example. Solve the following equations and check your results. And these are the problems given in that exercise. We shall take one by one. Sum number 1, 3x equal to 2x plus 80. Once again, we shall recall all these basic sign rules. What is that? In case of equations, plus when it is on transposing, plus from left to the right, plus becomes minus. Then on transposing, minus to the right, from left to the right, minus becomes plus, product into becomes division or divided by, like that. Then divided by, if it is division, then it becomes multiplication, product form. These are the fundamental one, we know that. Now here, how this is different from the previous class means here we have variable on both sides, LHS as well as what? RHS. While we solving the equations, it is convenient one. We have to keep the unknown in the left hand side and shift, transpose all the known to the right. Okay children, now just look at this problem. 3x left hand side, here we have 2x in the right hand side. Therefore, first we shall shift this to this one. Okay, fine, little inconvenient one. Okay. Sum number 1, 3x equal to 2x plus 80. Therefore, 3x. Now transpose this from left to right. Therefore, plus becomes what? Minus. Minus 2x equal to 80. See here, maintain the discipline. Here we have equals, just below that put equals and put therefore. Therefore means because of this step or this step is continued here. Therefore means because of this. That's why these symbols and all we have used. It is a compulsory one. 3x minus 2x. Therefore, 3 minus 2 is what? 1x. That 1 we need not to write. Okay. Equal to 18. That's all. Hence, the value of the variable x is what? 18. In this problem, particularly we are asked what to check the result. Means, let us verify now. Verification. How to verify? Substitute the value of x in the given equation so that we should get what? LHS and RHS. Therefore, verification can be done like this. LHS equal to 3x means 3x, okay, I shall write 3x. 3 into x is 18. 3 18s are 54. RHS you take. RHS, right hand side we have 2x plus 18. This is x is 18. 2 into 18. X is how much? 18. 2 into 18. 36. 36 plus 18. Just add what? 8 plus 6. 14. 1 plus 3. 4. 4 plus 1. 5. 54. So thus children, LHS equal to RHS. This is what we say equation. Here both are equal to how much? 54. Thus we can check our results. Now we shall take second sum. Okay, now here the variable is which one? T. Therefore, second sum 5t. Here we have 3t. Transpose that to the left hand side. Plus becomes minus 3t equal minus 5 we have. First children, always you write what you have in the right side first. Minus 5. Then you send or this minus to the right. Minus becomes plus. We are very cautious about that one, about the signs. Therefore, 5t minus 3t. When signs are different, we have to find the difference. Hence, 5t minus 3t is what? 2t equal to minus 5 plus 3 minus 2. How? Why minus 2? The greater number sign. Minus 5 plus 3. Therefore, now 2t. What do you mean by 2t? 2 into t. That into becomes what now? Divided by. Hence, t equal to minus 2 by 2. Therefore, then t equal to, what is the answer? We know minus into minus plus, minus into plus, minus, plus into plus, plus, then plus into minus, what? Minus. When signs are same, in case of multiplication, product, if same sign, positive. Complete detail already given you in first chapter. When the signs are different, the product is minus. Signs are same, product is positive. Plus, different, minus. The same holds good even for division also children. What is that? Minus by minus is plus. Minus by plus, what? Minus. Then plus by plus is what? Plus. Then again you know plus by minus is also minus. Therefore, just like the product, even for division we have the same conditions. What is this? When we convert this into multiplication, it becomes product reciprocals. All those fundamental we know. Therefore, now minus by plus. Minus by plus, what is the product of the signs? It is minus. 2 by 2 equal 1. So thus t equal to minus 1. Now let us verify this. Okay, because here each problem, after getting the solution, getting the value, we are asked to check the result. Therefore, verification. Okay, verification. Let us take LHS. LHS here we have what? 5t minus 3 equal to t is how much? Minus 1. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Then minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. That is what? LHS. Next we shall take RHS. We have here, it is 3t minus 5. We shall go for substitution equal to t is what? Minus 1. 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 equal to minus 8. Just you see, LHS is equal to RHS. So thus, therefore, this implies LHS is equal to RHS is equal to minus 8. This indicates what? Our solution is correct. What is the value of t? T is not minus 8. T is what? Minus 1. Correct? Because here we have substituted no. 5 into minus 1, that minus 5. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now this you practice by yourself. Even this practice it. Now we shall take the fifth one. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. Therefore, bring the unknown to the left hand side. Minus becomes what? Plus. When we shift, therefore, this minus becomes plus x. Then when you send minus to the right, it becomes what? Plus. We have already 14 minus 1 will become what? Plus 1. Therefore, now plus only. Therefore, plus 3x equal to plus 14 plus 1 plus 15. Therefore, now 3 into, what do you mean by 3x? It is 3 into. That into, when it is on transposing from left to right, it becomes divided by. Therefore, x equal to 15. Look at children. When it is fraction, that division line should lie the middle of the equation. This division line by 3. Don't put somewhere here. Okay. So therefore, write in a disciplined manner. Hence, 3 ones are 3 5s are. Thus, x equal to what? 5. Okay. Now we shall verify this. LHS verification. LHS equal to 2x minus 1. Directly 2 into 5, 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is what? 9. RHS equal to 14 minus 5. 14 minus is there, x is 5. 14 minus 5 is what? 9. Thus, LHS is equal to RHS equal to what? 9. Thus, it can be verified. Now we shall take the sixth one. This got over. Sixth one. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Therefore, here keep one point in your mind, very important one. Before we could transpose, shift the terms from left to right or right to left, you see that whether they are in the simplest form or not. So here children, we have to simplify this and then only we have to go for what? For transposing the terms. Therefore, 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x plus into minus, no, plus into plus, then plus into minus, 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Here we have to multiply only this binomial with this monomial, that is constant 3 into x plus into minus, 3 ones are 3, then plus 7. Therefore, do one more step. 8x plus 4 equal to 3x. What about these two constants with opposite sign? Therefore, whenever signs are opposite, then go for subtraction. 7 minus 3 plus 4. Therefore, now just you see here, we have plus 4 here. Here also we have plus 4. Okay, in such cases, if this is shifted to transpose to the left hand side, on transposing plus 4 to the left or plus 4 to the right, it becomes what? Minus. Therefore, plus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. Have that simple idea, so that keeping that in mind, we could cancel directly. Even this also one of the ways. That's all. Okay, or otherwise can be done as usual. So know this also children. Now therefore 8x, or if you find it difficult, let it be. Okay, I told you. Then in the beginning stages, if you find difficult, let it be like that only. 8x minus 3x equal to 4 plus 4 becomes what? Minus 4. Therefore, 5x equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. Then how to get the value of x? What do you mean by 5x? 5 into x. Therefore, x equal to into becomes divided by 0 by 5. Hence we know 0 by 5 or 0 by 100, anything, it is what? 0. Thus, x becomes what? 0. Okay, children, then very important thing, we have to maintain the equals one below the other in a systematic way, and even you put therefore like that. These are the one. Therefore means it is the continuation of the previous step. Because of this one. Okay. Now we shall go for verification. Now we shall verify this one, that sixth one. Answer we know x is what? 0. Therefore LHS I will take the sixth one. 8x plus 4. Since x is 0, 8 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4 equal to what? 4. That is LHS of the equation 6. And then take RHS. RHS, x we know it is 0. Therefore 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. 0 minus 1 is what? Minus 1. Minus into plus minus 3 plus 7 equal to 4. Therefore, this implies LHS is equal to RHS equal to 4. So, this verifies what? The value of x equal to 0 is the correct one. Okay. Okay, children. So, now this got over. Now we shall take sum number 7. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Therefore, see here, it is 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Hence, it is just like one term like that. Therefore, we could do the cross multiplication. 5 into x divided by, when it goes to other side, it becomes what? Into. Division becomes into, like that. So, therefore, it is vice versa. Into becomes division. 5 into x, 5x. 4 into x, 4x. Plus 4 into 10, 40. Therefore, 5x. Now, if we have one more variable in the RHS, bring that to the left hand side. It becomes what? Plus becomes minus. Okay, when plus is shifted to the left, it becomes minus 4x equal to 40. Therefore, x equal to what? 40. Okay, then we shall go for verification. Verification. LHS. X is LHS, x equal to what? 40. Then take RHS. RHS 4 by 5 into x is 40 plus what? 10 equal to 4 by 5 into 50. Okay. Then 5 ones are 5 tens are equal to 40. Just you see, LHS is 40, RHS is 40. Therefore, thus LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 40. Hence, the verification, or even we could say verified. Hence, the verification. Like this, we can write. Hence, the verification. So now we have solved which one? The seventh one. This you practice, children. Next, now we shall take ninth one. 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. 2y plus 5 upon 3 and then 26 upon 3 minus y. Even see here this plus and 2y should be in one line, children, like this. 2y plus division line equals division is minus, all should lie in one line. Now therefore 2y, here the variable is minus y, bring this minus to the left, it becomes plus, then send this plus to the right. Before you write that one, 26 by 3 plus becomes minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3. Now here two fractions, taking LCM is 3. 3 into first fraction, 3 get cancelled, hence 26 minus 3 get cancelled, 5, it becomes what? 26 minus 5. Just go for subtraction. 26 minus 5 is what? 21 by 3. Okay, 21 by 3 is what? Is this correct? 26 minus 5 means 26 minus 5 is 21 by 3. It is what? 7. Hence what? Now here we got 7. But here we have to simplify now. Therefore 3y. Again 3y. Therefore 3y. Now y becomes y equal to 7 by 3. Then verification. Verification you only do, children. Okay. And then now therefore 9 got over, 10th also you practice. Then remember, we have not done applications on the previous. What is that application means? Verbal problems, etc. Word problems are there. Therefore, after the completion of one more reducible to the simpler form, after that only we will take all word problems. Thank you, children.